Imagine you can launch a real AI business that makes money every month without tech skills or coding at all. This platform lets you brand powerful AI tools as your own and start earning recurring income fast. You choose what AI services to offer, set pricing, and your marketplace goes live for paying users. Client log in, pay monthly or yearly, and you keep full control of pricing and profits. There is no tech setup, no developers, and no complex software to build before you begin. Your business runs from one dashboard that holds all tools and billing in one easy place. This turns AI from a cost you pay into an asset that pays you over and over again. You can serve clients in many different niches without needing expert knowledge. Subscribers use the tools regularly, and you collect recurring income without restarting. This creates steadier income that does not stop when someone buys once and leaves. You decide how simple or premium your plans are and match them to your life goals. It works for beginners and can scale into a larger business over time without stress. Imagine owning something that brings money while you sleep and builds real value. Click the link in the description and find out more about launching your AI income stream.